Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how to make a electronic gradebook and add items to be graded to what you already created on Canvas. So first off, you want to make sure you're logged into Canvas, go to your dashboard, then you want to click on your class that we already created. Next, you want to go to assignments, click on assignments. So here is already for assignments, and any assignments you want to create, there's already one generated. I'm going to change this to homework. And save it. That's one section. I'm going to create another group and call it group discussions. And save. So for this, I showed you how to create two different items. So the next part is I want to go into here and add discussion, week 1 discussion, group discussion, and I'm going to weigh at 5 points. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to add another one, which, well, I'll add a few of these. So this will be week 2 group and add 5 points and save. So since I added both of these, I'm going to add and publish both. So if I go back to grades right here and I can check, it'll show out of 5, and there. And that's pretty much it. That is how you create assignments and add items to Canvas. Thank you for allowing me to do this, and I hope everyone has a good day.